The most important thing for me in a car is for it to be safe and to know that it can fit the whole family. Driving up to Byron from Sydney, it is a long way, but in a smooth ride, it makes it so much faster. It's great fun to make the car go. To see its performance is very impressive. The configuration was great for us, having the 6 seats, and certainly gave them enough room to stretch out. I love the big screen. It's great to have all the controls in one place. On the maps, it shows you where the next recharge station is going to be and how far it'll take you to get there. I definitely think electric cars are the way of the future, and more renewable sources of energy become available, it'll become a much cleaner way to travel.